Hi. Today marks about 4 or 5 days since when we decided to wrap the Jaguar. And since then, well, first of all, decided to upgrade the lighting in the garage. So now when we decide to work on the Jaguar and all of our other vehicles, the garage is much more lit up. Right now I'm currently in the process of cleaning it up, but hopefully, you know, the lighting helps out. And speaking of our beloved Jaguar, here we have the paint. Here we have, you know, the old paint. So there's obviously this little high spot with the tape. We'll get rid of it, but for now, today marks the day of washing and prepping this car for wrap, plus also chrome deleting all the trim, all the chrome that's, you know, around the vehicle, because honestly, pretty annoying. But for now, I'm left with a bigger task. Still, honestly, I don't know whose like tools these are, like half of them, because they're all like, for example, we got Pittsburgh, we got Huskies, we got everything you could ever want. But hey, speaking of chrome delete, Aki went ahead and ordered us some nice little rolls. So this should be perfect for all of our wants and needs. With all that being said, let's get into it. All right, so now that this little desk is all cleaned up and only full of our supplies, you know, questionable heat gun, brand new heat gun that we actually bought. This should be nice and helpful. Chrome delete vinyl and knifeless tape. Yeah, that should be all of our tools for wrapping the Jaguar as of right now. However, I only cleaned this up. Still have that to clean up. And that we don't talk about, because this is we honestly don't know who's like half these tools are. Like it's somebody's, it's got to be Angel's or Aki's, but like we have such a huge assortment and I wish I knew what to do about it, because I'm at a loss for words. But that being said, let's just get this cleaned up so we have one side of the garage that's usable, and then that one we don't care about the tools, we're just wrapping. So yeah, let's get this done right now. So the garage looks better now, I would say. This is all nice and clean. Same with that for the most part. Let's actually take this. This is you guys, or part of you. Put you right there. So yeah, both desks are clean. We should be ready to, you know, have some tools laid out. We don't talk about that side. That side, I don't know whose issue that is. That's not mine though. Now we're ready to rock and roll. Let's clean that bad boy real quick. I don't have issues with any of my neighbors, so hopefully they don't hate me, but this car might create some issues. We'll see. Fun. I'm gonna turn it red. First I need to wash it because it's all just dunked up and just terrible. Oh well, let's get her done. So now, as you guys can all see, Jaguar is now clean. Aki decided to join towards the end when I was drying it. Of course, in his slow Audi. But anyways, beside the fact,
gorgeous Audi. Take another look at it, guys.
Slow. Anyways,
take another look at it, man.
No, how about you take a look at this paint? If you guys look, you know, the car's nice and clean. We got all the any sort of waxes and everything off thanks to Adam's Polishes strip wax, and overall, car's done pretty nicely. Hit every single nook and cranny that I could, just so if we go to wrap these corners, it's actually clean and not dirty. Pop the trunk, same thing. Got every single nook and cranny. There was foam like build up here. Overall, everything is nice and clean, and it is now ready to go in the garage and get a chrome delete, right?
Yes, sir.
And then hopefully tomorrow/Friday, start making it red. So yeah, we'll see you guys then. More left, a lot more left. God, this guy's gonna hit my goddamn basketball hoop, man. Come on. All right, straight, go left. No, left, not right.
To the right!
Keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Stop. All right, shut it off. Let's get the monkey. I just want to get your reaction to something.
5. Nah, that's actually perfect.
Yep, look at the car now. Like, okay, I'm gonna shut it off. Just take a look at like what we saw before, right, guys?
Yeah, this was literally the lighting before.
Pretty much nothing. We were reliant on those little lamps right there, and now I have dual section. I have two sections.
Actually perfect.
Yep, and now
This literally looks like a detailing garage.
now we can work on the car. See from
my
all
God.
angles.
Yo, that's
By the way, this is the first time.
that's great.
This is the first time I've seen it with the car pulled in.
Oh my God. No, this looks amazing.
Yeah.
And it's all wired up like legit.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah. No. Right.
That's amazing.
All right. Cool. Now let's actually get to the chrome delete.
All right, now that we're in the garage, we're just wiping down the seals with our certified rubbing alcohol.
Okay. Look. It's very strong and it works.
It works. It works. So it doesn't matter. And now we're cleaning all the seals and everything underneath and all that, just so we could stick the 3M Chrome Delete special from Amazon. Link that in the bio. And
As
now,
you can see, the car was just washed, but still more to wash.
Still dirty. Set you up on a time lapse and we'll start the Chrome Delete. If we have any tips or tricks.
What the hell? How am I supposed to wrap this? I'm sorry. Excuse me?
That's a great angle.
Oh.
That looks like a U panel.
Don't be swinging like where my fingers are. Really lightly.
Can you hit me here real quick?
Alright, good.
Do I look like a slave to you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Since the GoPro wanted to take a crap on itself.
The start of the roll, for whatever reason, was a little bit messed up because from like here to here is the beginning of the roll. And as you can tell, I didn't even touch this yet, and I just saw these markings. So I'm working from this point back.
So these markings. This little section right here is a little messed up.
So I'm gonna work from this section back and get it all completed, and then I'll come back and like
Just section it off. It is what it is.
Yeah.
This is how our rust repair came out. Not too bad for our first try. You could clearly see the difference because the sun fading, but it's not horrible. You a PRD, huh?
What does that mean?
Professional raw dogger.
You guys see what I deal with? Like, I'm out here solo working on this car. This guy's just out here just...
Bro, whoever did this to this man's poor trunk is a certified menace to society. I hope whenever they get a car, if it was a young kid, I hope their head gasket blows the first 10 miles of them driving. Because this is outrageous. This kid's moving pretty quickly on the Chrome Delete. Last update, he was halfway done. Now he's almost to the rear section over here. Hurry it up, bro.
You do nothing but stand around. Like, I'm
literally holding the camera
I'm
right
not
now.
a professional.
Alright, so now that we got all of it nice and laid, we're gonna start cutting and tucking.
Yeah, and now we're gonna redo this section.
Adam claims I did nothing to this car, but without him saying anything, I decided to black out this XJ8 badge. Now you can't say I did nothing, bro. See how this man's cut came out. Yikes, bro. What is this?
Take a look when it's tucked.
No, it looks fine. I'm just playing with you. You were scared that you messed up a piece.
Yeah, because you were like, okay, so I'm working. I'm doing, okay, one giant complete line, right?
Right.
I'm working, going as smooth as possible, talking. This kid's rubber, whatever fits, like, are just out of here. He's talking about stupid stuff. And I'm like, can I do the cut? Please.
Bro, I can't have small talk with this kid, I swear. Is it that time of the month, Adam? I'm sorry if it is. I didn't mean to offend you. You can't even see it on camera.
I mean, yeah, you can't see a lot of things on camera, but it's still there.
That's all that matters, my boy. The rest of it looks mint. So once we do that section, we'll time lapse the rest of it. You guys don't need to see everything. There's a lot of chrome on this damn car. Oh, I forgot to show you guys.
Little monkey decided to do something by himself and he's now all happy and stuff.
Bro, better than half of your work.
Really?
Yeah, bro. Why is this in 3 sections, bro? I thought you could do it all in one.
Want to show
Yeah.
them your jagged cuts?
There is no jagged cuts, bro. What are you chatting about? 10 out of 10. Yanamize? Is that you?
Would never take it to the shop again.
1-star auto bodies, 1-star auto body for a reason. So what'd you do while I was gone, bro?
Well, I mean, I finished this.
whole
So it's all
lot.
clean now? Absolutely stretched it all the way around.
Okay, looks good.
This is pretty much laid. I just need to cut it. You see how there's no like boopers or anything?
All right. I was just about to close out this side of the car. Yo, this looks so much better on camera. Our wonderful vinyl expert over here at 1-Star Auto Body has finished this side of the vehicle. Awas is moving on to the other side. Let's go judge him and see how good he does on this side since he was talking all this crazy stuff.
First time, by the way.
Sure. That's what they always say.
Wrapping the Audi and failed miserably.
Yeah.
I failed miserably.
He threw a hissy fit and was like, hey, someone else do this.
Throw a hissy fit is more like that. Cut it.
Cut it. This vinyl's way too long. You need to cut it.
Bro, you're using the wrong side of the blade.
I can't see. I'm looking through the camera.
Chill, bro.
There you go.
Just like that, 1-Star Auto Body's lead technician Aki is over here. Since when?
Lead technician. I'm the founder of this company.
You can't, like, the lights are so bright that it doesn't look like black. You have to, like, all right, there we go. Now it doesn't look like chrome.
it is, it looks more, you know. It looks
Yeah,
like
so, yeah, this is all chrome deleted. Now we've got this long strip to do.
Yep.
Who's doing that?
He's doing one side, I'm doing the other side.
Teamwork makes the dream work, baby.
If we didn't do these lights, bro, this is how it would all be right now, so.
Yo, this is actually horrible.
What?
We worked with this, bro.
Yo, we got my reaction too.
Okay, so we're done now with the roof part. We got the rap god himself over here laying the craziest line. Starts over here. Goes all the way to here. Are we gonna go all the way down to the bottom too?
Yep.
Oh my God, he's going for it, bro. He's gonna go all the way down to there. One piece right here.
Did it on this side.
Greatest vinyl wrapper of our generation. Am I right?
I swear to God, hats off to him.
If this somehow gets Yanamize, if you guys want to fly me out to London and like make me lead these two, that'd be great. Thank you.
Hire him, Yanamize. Although no one remotely associated to them is gonna see this. All right, let's check out Mr. Adam P's one-piece perfection. Looking OEM, baby.
This is gonna be a 2-piece, obviously, because we don't have a tape thick enough. Hi guys, how you doing?
Yo, why are you always saying hi to them, bro? Like, they haven't seen your face 5 million times already.
Sorry, I'm just trying to be a nice human being.
The video's gonna be like 75% you.
Thanks. We got this whole
Also, in the
section
time-lapse.
done by Aki.
Yes, sir.
In the time lapse, they will see how much faster I was done with my side than he was done with his side, and I was
I
adding
did that,
lines.
that, and the top section. You still being, I gotta cut my jeans.
Who has the knife?
So what do we have left on the car now?
This and
This.
on the other side.
Oh yeah, and then everything else is done.
Yep.
Chrome delete almost done. Probably gonna see you when it's completely done. 1 a.m. This piece done. The whole that is done. This whole side is done. Absolutely mint. Windshield is done. This side is 95% done. All we have left to do is that. So yeah, this side's practically done. Just that little piece. And then this bottom trim. And then we're also gonna be chrome deleting these taillights. So we're gonna pick up tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be Thursday. And then Friday we begin. But generally, I'm gonna be here. Aki's gonna be here. All of us are gonna be here on Friday to start wrapping the car. So we're gonna pick up when we finish doing the chrome delete. And then after that is the wrap.